Can't tell if it's recording.
That's dark right there.
Yes, it is.
Alright, you got that solar system going, man.
What day's today?
So the heck with PG&E, huh? Today, what is it, the 5th? I think it's January 5th, right?
What year?
2002.
Alright.
So just pull this extra, just
Keep the downhill thing. Keep pulling it back.
Hey, thanks for the 2x4, Dick.
yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
2x4
It's my big contribution to the project.
It is a big one.
It gets tiring after a while.
I believe
What
it.
do you do, guys?
You can do what Brad's doing if you want.
Alright.
No, it's not a one-time show, is it?
I'm wondering if, can he get his end right there? If he puts his, I'll see what Lyle,
That'd be
if he
awful
had that in
close.
mind.
I'm afraid on that driveway, even though it's...
Only half a load.
Yeah.
He probably still wants him to do that end
I
first.
think he might crack off that edge. So are you serious about doing a little boating today?
I don't know. I haven't decided. I should have decided yesterday.
Yeah, it's gonna be like this.
I didn't realize it was going to be this nice.
You could blow up church, you know.
Yeah, it's always a possibility. I got dog meeting though at 2, so
Give me a call if you want to.
you never know.
You might
And I
be
think
able
Tammy's going to want to go. I know. I thought about asking you. I said, no, it's
Damn,
nice.
who are you gonna take? Your friends or your wife?
It's nice. Tammy's going to want to go. I know I haven't got to really just go out on my own and really get serious about it. So if I go do that, I'll be out there all day.
That's it. It's almost half the day's over.
Yeah. There's the truck.
It's almost a half a day
It goes
gone.
again. Yeah, I know. That's the thing. It goes pretty fast. You get this nice weather. This time of year, there's not much left.
If you find there's a lot, once you get used to it, though, it's fun. Yeah, I guess
The Alvis brothers are hurt.
Think about concrete, you need gloves.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess that stuff will eat your hands up, huh?
Yeah, that line can
There's a head tamper at work.
That's me, the head tip. We need to get the bull floats.
Just think, Bob. Just think, if we could buy some new backs, we could probably go into this work, huh?
Yeah, you need to be a young man to do this. For a job, for a living.
The truck's stuck out there. That looks like a little bit of a problem. We're digging the truck out. Stuck in the field. Whoops, shouldn't have gone there, huh? After all that rain. Don't do it, Bob. You don't hold those.
Rock it, walk it. Just rock it. You make it.
Mr. Moore,
Hi, Bob. How you doing?
I was okay till we stuck the truck in the mud.
Happy New Year.
You too. What do you think, Lyle?
I think you'll get it out of there. You better hurry up though, it's getting a little hard.
Watch it back.
How you doing, Mr. Alvis?
We're doing wonderfully. We had tea and donuts today, as opposed to the usual cookie fare. I did it twice. Right?
Oops.
The big hoop.
Big oops. What a mess. Stuck the cement truck and now it's out, so.
And how'd we get it out?
Picked up the tractor and gave the front a pole. Pulled it right out.